So welcome everyone. We are now at the Montenegro presentation today after the Serbia in the morning and later on Romania. We are now focusing on our Adriatic country of Montenegro, and we have the lovely Elena with us today. Hi Elena, how are you?
Hello everyone, doing well. You?
Excellent. Yeah, I'm fine as well. Yeah. So I believe you prepared us a presentation now about Montenegro. So not to lose too much time, let's just jump in your presentation.
So now I'm going to talk a little about my country. It's called Montenegro, and here are some of the informations. Montenegro is located in southern Europe. It's on the Adriatic Sea between Albania to the south and Croatia to the north. It also has a common border with Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina. So the area of Montenegro is almost 14,000 kilometers. It is the coastal length is 293 kilometers. Our highest peak is called Bobotov Kuk, and it's found in National Park Dormitor. It's 2,525 meters, 8,000 feet. And the currency that we use is euro. Our climate is Mediterranean and continental. You may ask yourself, why Montenegro? Well, first off, our weather is very favorable. We have 240 sunny days, and the swimming season lasts 180 days. Montenegro is a very diverse country, and we have a lot to offer. And here is the list of things that you can find in Montenegro. We have crystal clear sea, sandy beaches, high and wild mountains, fabulous high plains, abysses of canyons, brisk, strong flowing streams, quiet lakes, breathtaking fjords, and a lot more. Montenegro has to offer 5 national parks that are 7% of the land. We have a National Park Dormitor under UNESCO, and also we have National Park Skadar Lake. If you like bird watching, you should definitely visit. So here are some pictures of national parks. We have quiet coves, luxury resorts, adventurous beaches, and as well we have unique old towns that are rich in history and culture. Montenegro has to offer a lot of activities, both on water and on land, and we have a lot of activities in the air. We have the deepest canyon in Europe, second deepest in the world, that you can go and visit with rafting. We have 3 types of cuisines. So we have from delicious seafood, we also offer dried ham, known as prosciutto, and we are big cheese lovers, so we offer a lot of cheese meals. If you're a wine lover, you should definitely visit Montenegro. First street. So we have, these are some of the luxury places Montenegro has to offer. We have Porto Montenegro, where you can find exclusive marina for mega yachts. We have Luštica Bay, dreamy spot that is designed to reflect tenor of traditional fishing village of Montenegro. And we have Porto Novi that is located in Herceg-Novi. One and Only is the only one and only hotel in Europe, and you can find it in Porto Novi. Well, Mamula Island is a hotel that is accessible by boat. It's from the coastal town of Herceg-Novi. Mamula Island will bring new life to the historic islet of the 19th century fortress in Montenegro. It was previously uninhabited island and will be reimagined into a luxury hotel with tastefully preserving the concept of honoring historic past of the fortress. Surrounded by the sea, the hotel offers 32 rooms. These are some of the hotel brands that you can find in Montenegro, from One and Only Porto Novi to Hyatt, Swiss Hotel that is opening in the winter season 2024. And we have Heritage Hotel, Regent Porto Montenegro, and many more, as you can see. These are some of the new openings that will be happening in the next 2 years. We have, as I mentioned, Swiss Hotel. It will be located in Kolashin, where you can find a ski track that is 1,600. It's called Kolashin 1,600. We have 5-star Hotel Marriott that will open in 2025, Movenpick that will open in Risen, and Crown Plaza Kolashin. New attraction in Montenegro is Kotor cable car. You can visit from Kotor Boka Bay to Mountain Lovćen in just 10 minutes. You can look at the fjord and you can visit the royal capital of Cetinje. We have also winter adventures in Montenegro. As I mentioned, we have ski center in Kolašin. The new one will open soon, but we have also 1,450 Kolašin ski center.
Thank you so much, Jelena. That was really exciting. And we will now, I believe, play a short video of Montenegro,
Yes,
so
yes.
you can enjoy that part as well.
Welcome to Montenegro, the small country of great opportunities, unusual, different, unique. Welcome to a hidden corner of the planet, yet to be discovered by the rest of the world. Podgorica, the capital city, located in a green valley only 40 kilometers from the sea, connecting southern and northern Montenegro, as well as different cultures, religions and nations. Cetinje, the cultural and historical treasury of a nation, the spiritual capital of Montenegro, a small city guarding the story of a king, his kingdom, his family, and his subjects. After visiting the Cetinje monastery, you can go up to Ivanovo Korita to see Mount Lovćen. Budva, beautiful sandy beaches and tranquil villages in the hinterland, the peace and quiet of its monastery gardens, hidden coves, glamorous hotels, the best music festivals and concerts in Europe, the city of outdoor theatre stages, the cosy terraces of fish restaurants. Budva is also home to Sveti Stefan, a glamorous island. Bar, on the shores of the sea and the lake, a city of olives and wine and multi-ethnic harmony. Its 2,000 years old olive tree, the old town, the magnificent Skada Lake, and the Srmica hinterland, whose wine cellars reportedly make the best Montenegrin wine, the Srmica Vranac. Ulcinj keeps within its walls the history of famous warriors, pirates and prisoners, such as the celebrated Cervantes. The beauty of a completely different Montenegro is hidden here, on the most beautiful beaches on the Adriatic Sea, in its waves and its winds, in the wooden cottages on the river Bojana, in the colourful feathers of the flamingos at Solana, at music festivals, and in the healing waters springing from the depths of the earth. The Bay of Kotor, the only fjord in the Mediterranean. Like a string of pearls, many towns and villages are lined up along the entire bay. It is difficult to decide which one is more beautiful than the other, and which one is more admired by the visitors. Is it Kotor, surrounded by the impressive 16th century walls, the city of carnivals and masked balls, music and dance? Kotor, with the Cathedral of St. Trippian, the Castle of San Giovanni, or St. Luke's Church? Perhaps it is the Baroque town of Perast, and its Roman mosaics. They also admire Tivat, the former summer residence of rulers, noblemen and poets, its salt pans, the largest park in Montenegro, and Porto Montenegro, the most luxurious mega yacht marina in the Mediterranean. The sunny city of Herceg-Novi, its many steps descending towards the sea, its everlasting vegetation and famous mimosa blossoms have been attracting painters, poets and writers for centuries. The national parks of Montenegro are the country's greatest treasury. Lovćen, with its dense forests, and the scenic village of Njegoši. Durmitor, with the wild river Tara, glacier lakes. Skada Lake, with its Dalmatian pelicans, and Rijeka Crnovica. Beogradska Gora, with the Beogradsko Lake, located in the heart of Europe's last virgin forest. Prokletje, with Ali Pasha's springs, Lake Plav, and its unexplored, breathtaking beauty. And we haven't shown you everything yet. Kolashin, the largest ski centre, a mountain town where you will enjoy the specialities of our national cuisine. Tara, the deepest canyon in Europe, and the river that offers rafting from your wildest dreams. The most magnificent mountain centre, Žabljak, attractive during the winter, maybe even more so in the summer, with its many hiking paths, reveal the multitude of charms offered by Mount Durmitor and its lakes. What makes this country unique is primarily its extraordinary and wild beauty. Montenegro is characterized by diversity, even contradictions, both in the natural sceneries, quickly interchaining without warning, and in the tastes and aromas of its food and drinks, starting from the Mediterranean specialities, through the lake delicacies and famous wines, all the way to the traditional mountain dishes. In the course of only one day, one can enjoy magical sandy beaches, go rafting along the Tara River, see Italy from the top of Mount Lovćen, ski in Kolashin, go surfing on Adeboyana, or fishing on the lakes. This country has been built by 3 different cultures and spiritually shaped by its famous artists. In Montenegro, you can find your peace, quiet and tranquility. You can find your passionate, adventurous side. You can find happiness in the little things. You can find yourself.